Students, in question number 6, we have given a linear equation 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0, and we have to write another linear equation such that the geometrical representation of the pair so formed is intersecting line. It is the first part of question number 6. Students, two lines are intersecting, then the condition is a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. By this condition, we have to take the values of a and b. Clear? So here we have given 3x, 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0, and let the another line, or we can say the required line, is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Compare these two lines with the general equations, that is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. What we get? We get a1 is equal to 2, b1 is equal to 3 and c1 is equal to minus 8, and a2 is equal to a, b2 is equal to b and C2 is equal to C. Now, two lines, the lines will be intersecting if A1 upon A2 is not equal to B1 upon B2. So, put the values of A1, A2, B1, B2, 2 upon A is not equal to 3 upon B, or we can write 2 upon 3 is not equal to A upon B. Now, 2 upon 3 is not equal to A upon B means we have to write the values of A upon B such that after cancellation they will not be equal to 2 upon 3. That means we can take A is equal to 3, 2 or and B is equal to 5, or A is equal to 6 and B is equal to 7. Similarly, we can take any value of A and any value of B other than 2 or 3, 2 upon 3. Okay. So let us take any one value. Suppose A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 5. But and the third part, that is C. C1 upon C2. C1 is given minus 8, and you can take C2 as any value, that is any value what you want to write. Suppose I am taking and C is equal to 3. So our required equation is what? 2x plus 5y plus 3 is equal to 0. Students, if you are doing by yourself this question, maybe your answer is this one, or your answer will be different. Your answer may be different from the book also, because we are taking any value of A and any value of B and any value of C. Clear? So we proceed to the next part, that is parallel lines. Okay? Students, in the second part, we have to write another linear equation from this linear equation such that the two lines will be parallel. Clear? So we have given 2x plus 3y minus 8, and we are taking another line will be ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, and then comparing these two equations with the general equation, that is then we get a1 is equal to 2, b1 is equal to 3, c1 is equal to minus 8, and a2 is equal to 2a, b2 is equal to b, and c2 is equal to c, as we did in the previous one. Clear? Now, two lines will be parallel. That means we have the condition a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is not equal to c1 upon c2. So, for two lines will be parallel, the condition is a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is not equal to c1 upon c2. Clear? So, a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 or a1 upon a2, that means 2 upon a is equal to 3 upon b is not equal to c1 upon c, that is minus 8 upon c. Students, here first of all I am taking this part 2 upon a is equal to 3 upon b. This implies we can write 2 upon 3 is equal to a upon b. What is the meaning of this? 2 upon 3 is equal to a upon b. A upon b will be any value that gives the resultant 2 upon 3, isn't it? That means a and b are the multiples of 2 and 3. Clear? Suppose I am taking let a is equal to 2k and b is equal to 3, and we are taking if k is equal to 2, then a is equal to 4 and b is equal to 6. When k is equal to 3, a is equal to 3 to the 6, b is equal to 9. Similarly, we can take any value of k such that we will get a1 upon a2, that is 4 upon 6 and 6 upon 9. And the resultant, that is 2 to the 4, 2 to the 6, we will again get 2 upon 3, 3 to the 6, 3 to the 9, that is 2 upon 3. We again get 2 upon 3. Clear? So, we can write any value of k for which a1 upon a2 we will get correspondingly. Now, if we take k is equal to 2, if we take k is equal to 2, then a is equal to 4 and b is equal to 6. Okay, so here let us take a is equal to 4 and b is equal to 6. Clear? Now students, if I am taking this portion, which portion? This portion, that is 3 upon b is not equal to minus 8 upon c. 3 upon b is not equal to minus 8 upon c. This implies 3 upon minus 8 is not equal to b upon c, and we have b is equal to 6. So, this implies 3 upon minus 8 is not equal to 6 upon c. Here, c is equal to, or c is not equal to minus 8 into 6 upon 3, that is 3 to the 6, that is c is not equal to minus 16. Means except this minus 16, c can be any number. Clear? So, suppose we are taking, let c is equal to 5. Let c is equal to 5. You can take any number, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, any number, but we are taking c is equal to 5. Then, what we get? Then our required equation, which is parallel to the given equation, will be 4x a2 is 4. 2 upon 4 is 1 upon 2. b1 3. b2 is 6. 3 upon 2, 3 upon 6 is 1 upon 2. And minus 8 upon 5. So our condition is satisfying. a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is not equal to c1 upon c2. Clear? Okay. So we will proceed to the third part. Student, third part is very easy. We have to find coincident lines. That means we have to find another line which is coincident. And the condition for coincident lines is a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. Now, that means here we are given 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0. Same thing we compare with this equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. And second equation which is required, we will take ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 and it compared with a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Now what we get, a1 is equal to 2, b1 3, c1 minus 8, a2 is equal to a, b2 is equal to b and c2 is equal to c. Now condition for two lines will be coincident. a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. Here a1, that is 2 upon a, is equal to 3 upon b is equal to minus 8 upon c. So students, you can take the values of ABC as a multiple of equation number 1. That means if we multiply this equation by 2, so what we get? 4x plus 6y plus minus 16. 4x plus 6y minus 16 is equal to 0. That means it is our a2, it is a2, b2 and c2. So a1 upon a2 is equal to what? 2 upon 4, that is 1 upon 2. b1 upon b2 will be, b1 is 3 upon 6, that is 1 upon 2. And c1 upon c2 is equal to minus 8 upon minus 16, again it is 1 upon 2. So you can take any multiple of equation number 1 or what is given equation. So we can take a is equal to 4, b is equal to 6 and c is equal to minus 16. Hence our required equation will be 4x plus 6y minus 16 is equal to 0. Here we end up question number 6. Students, question number 7 you can do by yourself because this we have done in the previous class. Okay. So next topic will be 3.3 introduction. Thank you.